everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a very special styling collab with Shannon, and her channel name is just Shannon, and Mare from Mare of All Trades. So if you are not subscribers to their channels, I am linking them below. Go there, subscribe, give them some love, click the notification bell on their videos, and give them a thumbs up, okay? They are both wonderful ladies with very different styles, and we decided to do a styling collab together where each of us picks a single Pinterest look and we end up styling them. So both of them, a little fun fact, are from Minnesota, and I'm actually from New Jersey. Our styles are all very different. I'm gonna start off with a look that Shannon had picked. And this style, I would say, is pretty preppy conservative and a little bit out of my element, all right? So over here you'll see on either side, wherever I can figure out where to put it in the video, is the actual photo of me with side by side with the outfit that she had chosen, okay? I'm gonna lift you up and show you my outfit complete with the accessory. All right, so as you can see, she chose a pair of plaid pants, they were skinny pants, and a yellow sweater, and it also had a statement necklace. So I don't have too many pairs of plaid pants. I have these, and they're leggings, and I'm doing a fashion faux pas by not covering this area. A pair of leggings by Liverpool. They're knit style, but they do have the pockets in the back and the faux jean pocket look in the front. And they are regular button and zipper. These are from Liverpool. I have two pairs of plaid pants, well, three, all right? One pair is this. The other pair is a pair of pull-ons, also from Liverpool. And the last pair is a pair of trousers, like that are a wider leg. So in order to recreate this Pinterest look, I decided to stick with these. These are the closest that I have. I typically wouldn't wear these with a short shirt like this. I don't necessarily know I'd cover it like a tunic length, but definitely a little bit longer and looser as the pants are pretty slim fitting. All right, I do not have a yellow sweater, so maybe that needs to be on my bucket list. I actually have very little yellow. I have nothing against yellow, but I just have very little. I'm not a big fan of mustard, but I do like pale yellow, lemon yellow, like a dusty yellow. But yeah, so a very little, so I ended up doing a camel top. And all my plaid pants that I do own are very muted. All three of them are very muted color, you know, black and some other color. So I'll get closer so you can see the color of this. It's kind of like a black and a gold plaid in here. And I wore my hair up just like the stylist, and I pulled out my stylist, just like the Pinterest, and I pulled out the only necklace that I have that is a statement piece, okay? So it's a gold necklace, statement piece, and the bag. And I don't have a structured black bag, so this is the black bag that I have, that will do. So this is my Pinterest look. How did I do? All right, give me a minute and I'm gonna show you Mare's look. Well, ladies, how did I do? So this outfit, as you can see, is styled by Meredith. She didn't style it, she picked it off of Pinterest. And when I saw this, I'm like, ooh, this is gonna be a challenge. I know for most people, it'll be like, what's the big deal with that? A graphic tee, a blazer, a pair of skinny jeans, and a pair of pumps. So for me, I don't buy graphic tees at all. The only graphic tees I have are ones that I had to purchase through a fundraiser of something of that nature. Of course, my husband is the graphic tee king, so if I didn't find this one already, I could have gone through his closet and picked out a graphic tee. So here in this outfit, I have a blazer that I got from a Stitch Fix. I'm not quite sure what name brand this is, but I like the way it fits. It's, you know, got the roll here on the sleeves. It does go all the way down, but I never keep it down. I roll it up. All right. It's a very thin, lightweight blazer, fully lined with a cute little polka dot lining. A gray t-shirt from my gym, a pendant necklace, a pair of skinny jeans from White House Black Market. I think I've showed you these before. They have the little pearls here on the side. And I'll pan down so you can see the shoes. Shoes are a pair of pumps from INC Macy's. Pumps are not one of my favorite shoes. I find them very difficult to keep on my feet. I have a pendant necklace from White House Black Market, just like she did. And on top of that, I got my daughter's sunglasses. My sunglasses I rarely wear and are in my car, and my daughter has my car. So I said, oh, I have to grab her sunglasses. So how'd I do? How was the look? All right, stay tuned for what I picked. Well, how did I do? This is my last Pinterest look, and it was chosen by me. So obviously this is the outfit I feel most me in. So here are the black jeans, all right? They're just from Loft. Had them for years, and you've seen them before on me. I styled them with a pair of over-the-knee booties that I've gotten from Macy's a long time ago. Paired with it, I have my tote purse from Michael Kors, an ivory turtleneck, a scarf my friend gave me, and my daughter's sunglasses. So I don't have a plaid scarf. On my Amazon cart right now is a plaid scarf that I did find that I liked for about $15. And I think I'm gonna have to get that because I'm like, I don't have a plaid scarf. I gotta add that. The only plaid scarf I have is a short one that's a triangular shape, so that wouldn't do. All right, so let me come closer so you can see my outfit. All right, it's an ivory turtleneck, this scarf, the black jeans, which you've seen a million times, and my over-the-knee boots, and my purse. Okay, how did I do? Well, that was a lot of fun. Thank you very much for tuning in to watch another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. If you're coming over from either Shannon or Mare's channel, subscribe, hang around, click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me, and give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't checked out Shannon or Mare, please do. Their links are down below in the description box. They'd love to have you. We all do similar things, styling videos, unboxings. Mare does some other things, as well as Mare also has her own Etsy shop, which I'll also post down below. She sells candles, she sells soaps, she sells wax melts, and she's truly a Mare of all trades. She does a lot of handiwork around her house too. So go down there, give those ladies some love, click subscribe to their channels, and give them a thumbs up. Take care, and until next time.